Hello everyone, I'm Sashmita Parveen. I'm pursuing ECE from NPR College of Engineering and Technology. Now we are going to see about microwave oven simulation project. Contents: C programming and embedded C, microcontroller and microprocessor, embedded system, project description, and then project working. Now, first of all, we are going to see about C programming. C programming is a general purpose, procedural, imperative computer programming language. C program is used in system software development, embedded software development, OS kernel development, firmware, middleware, and driver development, file system development, and many more. C used effectively in various specific domains. It is a free formatted language. Efficiency and portability are the important considerations. Library facilities play an important role. And then next, embedded C features: number system, decimal, octal, hexadecimal, and then binary. Data representation, that is a bit, byte, and then word. Integrated numbers, that is positive and negative numbers. Data types, that is integral, float, and then data modifiers. Size, the size may be short, long, and long. And then signless, signed and then unsigned. Data type qualifier, that is constant and volatile. Conditional constructs, that is single iteration, multiple iteration, and then unconditional. And then next, operators on its operands and as a returns a value. Operators: arithmetic, logical, relational, assignment, and then bitwise. Overflow and underflow. Array, that is a collection of data of same data type. Addresses are sequential: first element with lowest address and the last element with the highest address. And then next, microcontroller. So first, an integrated circuit which is capable of being programmed to perform a specific task, embedded inside devices used to control the actions and features of a product. All components in single chip, that is a flexible and less design complexity. Things to be noted, that is applications, performance, price, availability of tools, special capabilities. And then microprocessor. A microprocessor is a computer processor wherein the data processing, logic, and control is included on a single integrated circuit or a small number of integrated circuits. All separate components are more flexible, more design complexity. And then next, embedded system. So any combination of hardware and software which is intended to do a specific task can be called as an embedded system. So a general purpose system is used to perform large number of tasks, whereas an embedded system is used to perform a specific task. So next, challenges that we are performing in an embedded system is efficient inputs and outputs, embedded on OS, code optimization, and then testing and debugging. So next, categories of embedded system. So the categories are standalone system, real-time system, networked system, and then mobile system. Real-time aspects: hard real-time, firm real-time, and then soft real-time. Next, project description. A microwave oven. Microwave oven is used to heat the food using microwaves. This is a form of electromagnetic waves. There are several modes in microwave oven: micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, and then start mode. So modes of microwave ovens are micro mode. So the micro mode means is a traditional way. It uses a maximum power of 900 watts, and in this maximum time that you set for cooking is 60 minutes. So on the next, grill mode. It is used to cook meat and bread. It works as a micro mode, but the purpose is to cook meat and bread. User can set time as per the cooking time of the meat. So on the next, convection mode. In this mode, user can set the oven to preheat for a particular temperature, and it takes 3 minutes to preheat the oven. So next, after preheating is done, then the user can set the time as per the requirements. And then the last one is start mode. It directly starts for 30 seconds countdown. It can be used for short period time cooking. And then next, requirements: MPLAB IDE, XC8 compiler, PiximLab. So on the next, what is a PIC16F877A? It has a 40 pins. It has 5 ports in total. So port A, port B, port C, port D and port E. It supports serial communication for which it has two pins TX and RX. You can receive data from RX and can transmit data from TX. We have to place a crystal oscillator ranging from 4 MHz to 40 MHz. Moreover, we will also need some programmer or burner to upload her file. So next CLCD. CLCD in the sense character liquid crystal display, and there are two types 16 into 2 and 16 into 4 used to display all ASIA character and symbol, and it has totally 16 interface lines D0 to D7 or data lines. It has built-in controller. It has own RAM and ROM that controller can execute the instructions and data. So RS line in the sense register select line. RS value is 1 in the sense it is data. RS value is 0 in the sense that is instruction. Next, tactile switch. Tactile switch is a switch which operation is perceptible by touch. This switch used to select the mode of operation and to enter the temperature and to enter the time in our project. There is a metal plate and terminal. Triggering methods. Edge trigger, level trigger. And the next matrix keypad. This is a keypad in which number of tactile switches are connected in row and column concept. This is used when more number of user inputs are required and still want to save some controller input output lines. These keypads are most commonly used in telephones, calculators, digital lockers, etc. In the cooking mode, the matrix keypads are used to select the respective modes. And then next, timer. Timer is an important application in any embedded system, which is a default peripheral which maintains the timing of an operation in sync with system clock or eternal clock. And then next, it has many applications such as measuring time and generating delays, etc. Time counter is a software designed to count the time interval between the events. It has three modes like PWM or pulse generator, counter, PW or PP measurement. And then next, fan module. As is implied by the name, cooking fan module is a device in a car that controls the temperature in the engine by regulating the speeds at which the fan motor rotates. This creates a cooling effect in the engine by preventing it from overheating. And then next, ISR, and the full form of ISR is interrupt service routine. An ISR is a software routine that hardware invokes in response to an interrupt. ISR stands to the request of an interrupting source by clearing the interrupt flag and should save register contents that may be affected by the code in the ISR. It must be terminated with the instruction RETIE. When an interrupt occurs, the MPU completes the instruction being executed. Then it disables global interrupt enable, places the address from the program counter on the stack. And the next, project working. Build a file in MPLAB into IDE software and compile using MATLAB into CSE, then in PixSimLab software load the hex file in board big Genius board microcontroller PIC 168F877A. So this is the about project working. Thank you. It's a PixSimLog interface. Here I am going to choose the PicGenius board in the type of board. Here I am choosing the PIC16 F877A microcontroller. First I am going to load the project file which I have already saved. Here the file is loaded and it's showing the 4 different modes of cooking pattern. To select a micro mode, click 1. It shows that the maximum power it consumes is 900 watt. Here the display shows the user to enter the time required to cook the food. Let me set 10 seconds for our convenience. To To start a timer, we have to press hash. Let me enter hash. The timer is started. Here we can see that cooler is start running. After cooking time up, the cooler is turned off and the buzzer is turned on to indicate cooking time up. Let me show grill mode working. Let me select 2 to start grill mode. It's working as similar to micro mode. It's asking me to enter the time. Let me set 20 seconds and going to press hash. The grill mode is started and the cooler is also started. Now I am pressing 5. Timer is passed. To resume this, press 4. To increase 30 seconds, press 4. To start this, press 6. Let me select 3 to start convection mode. It asks me to enter the temperature for which the oven should be preheated for 3 minutes. Let me set 125. It asks me to now the preheating is started for 3 minutes. I mean 180 seconds. After preheating is done, the set time will be displayed. We can set the time to cook food. Let me set 10 seconds. Okay, now the cooler is started. Next, RB3, which we are using to open the door. The LCD displays that door is open. Please close the door. Cooking time up, the cooler is turned off and the buzzer is turned on to indicate cooking time up. Next mode, to select start mode by pressing 4, it can automatically start by 30 seconds. Thanks for MNC Technologies and Mentas.